going this way, aren't we?
Yep. We've had a lovely lunch in Tintagel. We've come back to the motorhome to collect the dogs, and we're now hitting the trail between Trewethett Farm Caravan and Motorhome Club and Tintagel. So we're going to go as far as we dare, really. Just a comfortable walk. We know it's very up and down, and we're walking down the little path just at the back of the campsite now. So we'll show you what we're seeing as we walk along.
Yeah.
a little bit of a steep slope. Help! There we are. We're just about 20 yards out of the site. Bit of a blow, so hopefully the wind's not too much on the camera here. It has been very misty and hazy today, but the sun is breaking through beautifully as we start our walk. We're just coming around the corner here now, and we're getting a bit of a view. We walked down here the other day just to have a quick look, and we thought, my goodness, we've got to come back. We didn't have very long, but we're going to get down to that bridge, and we're going to walk along to this little corner bit where there's some steps. Right, isn't it?
Lovely.
It truly is lovely.
Beautiful.
Yeah, that's beautiful here.
We'll get up there next.
Another little climb.
Yeah, little climb. That looks quite a high one, actually.
Fairly steep, isn't it? A campsite on the top of the hill.
Oh, they do. Oh. Get up, dog. Get up. Behave yourself.
What you found then, Sheila? Another beach?
Yeah, two. Yeah.
Oh my word. It's beautiful. Very misty though. Another little climb. Over this little ridge. It makes you wonder what you see the other side of these little ridges. Better view of the beach. found my shadow in the distance there, and found the route down to that beach there. Look, it's just hidden in over the hill. You still see Trewethett farm in the distance there, a line of white boxes.